Hello and welcome to Azure Wala YouTube channel. We are in part 50 of Microsoft Certified Associate series. So far we have discussed 86 questions in previous videos. Today we are going to discuss question number 87. You have an Azure subscription named Subscription 1 that contains a virtual network named VNet1. VNet1 is in a resource group named RG1. Subscription 1 has a user named user1. User1 has following roles. It has reader role, it has security admin role, it has security reader role. You need to ensure that user1 can assign the reader role for VNet1 to other users. What should you do? There are various versions of this question available over the internet with the different options available. So I have clubbed together all the options available over the internet. Let's first discuss roles available in these options. These are the choices given in the questions available over the internet. So we'll go through one by one. First of all is the owner role. Owner role grants full access to manage all resources, including ability to assign roles in Azure role-based access control. So, in short, this is the full access role. Next one is user access administrator. This role let the user manage other users access to Azure resources. So in manage they can assign the permissions to other users, and maybe they can revoke the permission to other user as well. So they can manage user access in entirety to Azure resources. The third one is contributor role. Contributor role grants full access to manage all resources but does not allow user to assign role in Azure role-based access control. So this will not be useful for this question, and contributor can just manage the resources only. Further, you may find one role which is the network contributor role, which will let user manage networks but not to access them. So that is also similar to contributor role. It will not allow that user to assign any permission to other user. Next one is reader role. Reader role will allow to view all resources but does not allow user to make any change, and also user will not be able to assign other users any permissions. So that will also be the same. Next one is security reader role. Security reader role will allow to view permissions for Microsoft Defender for the cloud, can view recommendations, alerts, and security policy and security status, but cannot make any change. And there is also one more role available, which is the security admin role. And the difference between security reader and security admin is that security admin can also update the security policy and dismiss alerts and recommendations. So but it will not allow to manage other users role. So this will be the wrong answer for this question. Reader will be the wrong answer for this question. Contributor will be the wrong answer for this question. If it is network contributor also, it will be wrong answer for this question. Next we will go to the question back. Back to the question. So option A, assign user one network contributor role. So as we know that it will allow us to manage the network resources, but it will not allow us to assign any user permission. So it is a wrong answer. Option B, assign user one network contributor for a resource group. Even it is for entire resource group or only one resource, it will not work to assign the role to other user. Next one is remove user 1 from security reader role. So it is asking to remove the security reader role which is assigned here for subscription 1, and assign user 1 the contributor role for resource group 1. So it is same that if we are even assigning network contributor or contributor role on the resource group, it is not going to help us to assign other users the roles. So it is also wrong answer. Remove user 1 from the security reader, that is also the same. And reader role, so it's asking that you can, if you remove the reader role and security role, it will not make any change over the subscription to assign other users any role. So and assign the user 1 contributor role will not help to assign other users any permission. Option E is assign user 1 the owner role for VNet 1. Yes, if we would like to assign other user any role over the VNet 1, then we can assign the permission or owner role over the VNet 1, and it will allow user to assign other users the permission as well. Option F is assign user 1 the contributor role on the VNet 1. That will definitely not be helping. Assign user 1 the user access administrator role for VNet 1. Yes, this user access administrator role allows to assign permission to other users. Therefore, answer G will also work in this case. Remove user 1 from security reader and reader, that will also not be helping in this case. So option E and option G are the correct answer in this case. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell notification icon. Share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.